Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And you might be aware about LinkedIn My Business page. So if you want to give access to someone else to manage your LinkedIn business page, so in this video I am going to give you the exact strategy how you can invite someone to give access your LinkedIn business page, no matter whether you want to hire freelancer, digital marketing agency, social media marketing agency, and anyone else from your team, your colleagues, your business partner. This step is same for everyone. So in this entire video, I'm going to give you the exact strategy how we can invite someone to access our LinkedIn business page. So stay tuned with me, just follow the process.
So first of all, we need to log in inside the LinkedIn account. I have already logged in inside the LinkedIn. So this is my dashboard. So let me open my LinkedIn business page. So this is my LinkedIn business page. Okay. So if you want to invite someone to manage this particular page, they want to do website URL, logo. So this is my business page, and I want to hire someone to manage this page. So might be that person responsible for adding website URL, adding logo, adding some post, polls, right, articles. So I simply want someone to manage my LinkedIn business page. So for that, I need to send him invitation to access my LinkedIn business page. Just go to settings, go to the option, manage admin. What you want to give access? You want to give admin access, you want to give as a follower options, you want to give some inbox settings options, you want to have restricted membership. You just need to add admin. So what you want to give access? Super admin, content admin, analyst. So but make sure the person who must have the LinkedIn account. So let me show on my way. Just so Deepak. So this is the person with whom I want to assign the super admin role. Just go to save, and now see, these two people are now having the admin role. So it means that both of us, we can manage, we can edit, we can do any post inside the LinkedIn. So in this way, we can simply add the admin and make sure the person who have the presence on LinkedIn. So in this way, you can simply invite someone to give access to your LinkedIn business page. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubt, any question, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I will definitely going to reply back to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.